All right, so I just got this solar charge controller. And this is something that you need if you're going to run a solar panel. You run the electrical from the solar panel to this, and then it goes to the battery, and then the battery stores the energy, and then when you need it, you can use it for whatever application you're going to be needing it for. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. And then we're going to try it out and see how we like it. All right, so here it is. This is your solar charge controller. It's pretty simple. Look, you can put a couple USBs in there to charge your phones. It's got a built-in timer, and you can set the voltage, and it's got full protection. I guess that's how you protect yourself. So solar panel goes in here, battery goes in there, and then electricity out goes here. So this is for basically 12 volts. And you can see the little clips in there that you shove the wires in. Over here you've got information on it. So this is rated for 12 to 24 volts, 30 amps, 50 volts, and that's the stats on it. I'll give you a go around on it so you can see it. So bam, that's it right there. So now we just got to test it out and see how we like it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I play around with electricity. Peace out.